Hi, I'm James Nave,
I'm Allegra Houston.
and welcome to the Imaginative Storm Writing Prompt of the Week.
2022 version. It's New Year's Day, and we've started the new year by doing a writing prompt of the week. We do this live every Saturday at 10 a.m. Mountain Time, which is 9 Pacific, noon Eastern, 5 p.m. England time. We actually did have somebody joining us from Cheltenham today. So if you would like to join us, you will always be able to find the link at imaginativestorm.com. And as you know, if you aren't able to join us live, you will always find the prompt of the week here on YouTube.
And so this morning on our Imaginative Storm Saturday call, we offered the people on the call a video. And today we would like to do the same for you.
The video will play for 2 minutes, and while you're watching it, jot down a list of words that pop into your mind. Whatever words come, or short phrases, not continuous prose, just a list. Anything at all. The words don't have to have anything to do with the images that you're looking at. They don't have to have anything to do with one another. And we will see you in 2 minutes. So if you're wondering what those flashing lights are, they are the data processing center at CERN, where the atom collider is in Switzerland. That is one tiny percentage of the data center. I was lucky enough to be there a few years ago and took that little video.
And when we showed the video this morning, everybody jotted down words. And after we finished the 2-minute run, we went through the group and asked everyone to offer one word from their list, which allowed us to create a community list. So the people on the call had their private list, and then we created a collective community list. So what we'd like to do now is read that list to you, so you will have that list as well. So Allegra's going to read the list now.
Electronic dazzle. Nothing sacred. Call the mechanic. Impossible Morse code. Intermittent constancy. Flashes of inspiration. Pulsating. Skating the matrix. Random order. Wavelength. Meta hell. Big brother. Surveillance. The sparkling void. Alan Turing. Death of humanity. Hello, Dave. Lucky glitch. seeing in the dark, starlight, star bright, seizures, NASA, Hal. It started in my house. Glitterati or Illuminati, quivering brain, close encounters, erratic static, the Snowden file.
So now you have your list and you have the list that Allegra just read. So what we would like for you to do now is to relax and settle back, and we're going to give you a 10-minute time frame to work in. And within that 10 minutes, you can make something, write something inspired by the word list that you have. You might want to use a whole bunch of words from both your list and the community list. Or you might want to take one or two phrases or words and build something from that. Doesn't really matter which way you go. What matters is that you take your time, you move into the 10 minutes, and you write however you please, whatever you'd like to write. And it's a dance between your imagination and your rational mind.
With your imagination leading the dance.
We begin now.
If what you wrote pleased you, please post it on the Imaginative Storm Circle site. And that way we will be able to read it. And you can also invite any friends and family to read it. And you can read what other people wrote to this prompt and all of the other prompts that we've been doing for the past 8 or 9 months or however long it's been now. So here is how you do that. So when you get to imaginativestorm.com, you'll see the Zoom link for the writing prompt of the week here right up at the top. And if you scroll down, you'll see Join Us on Circle. Click that and it will take you to the circle. If it's your first visit, it will ask you to sign up. That's free. You can use your Google or Facebook ID or create a new ID. And then you will end up on a page that looks like this. Over here on the left, you'll see the prompt of the week. And when you get there, the most recent prompt will be up at the top. And you can see this growing archive of other writing prompts that you might want to investigate. Click on the prompt, and there you will see it, along with the image, if it was an image, and the community list of words, and what other people have written in response to that prompt. And Elaine did this lovely thing of posting it in writing and then also posting her video of herself reading it. So you might want to do that too. And then if we want to comment on what other people have written, we can just hit reply. But if you scroll down to the bottom of that prompt, you'll see a place where what it says, what are your thoughts? And you can insert here what you wrote to the prompt. And then when we read it, we can hit reply and tell you what we loved about it. So there you go.
So now that you know how to post on the Imaginative Storm Circle, we look forward to seeing your work there. And you can also put up a video if you like. You can read your work aloud to your iPhone or your smartphone and give us a video as well. There's lots of opportunities there, and we really look forward to seeing what you have to say.
Also on imaginativestorm.com, you will notice links to other things, including the books that we have written, a couple of guidebooks for writers in the series Twice 5 Miles guides, The Stuff Nobody Teaches You. There is How to Edit and Be Edited, and How to Read for an Audience. There will soon be another book called Imaginative Storm Writer Training and a video course that you'll be able to download. We also do a writer training live on Zoom for small groups of people. Our next one is going to be starting as we record this. Our next one is going to be starting in March 2022. I think it's March 14th. It's a 10 module plus a finale course of 2.5 hours each session, except the finale is shorter, which we will do twice a week. It's limited to 8 people. So if this is something that interests you, just contact us via our website and we can tell you more about it and have a phone call. And if you'd like to do it, maybe you can grab one of those 8 spots.
So thanks ever so much for tuning in, and please do join us on Saturday morning. We'd love to have you be with us in person. So thanks ever so much for tuning in for this time, and we look forward to more later.
And have a wonderful 2022. Goodbye.